You can actually build and launch a fully functional web application without writing a single line of code. We are going to build Client Vault. It's a professional file-sharing portal where users sign up, upload documents, and manage their data, all while you monitor everything through a live administrative dashboard. To build this, we have to establish 4 specific pillars: user authentication, a database, file storage, and the final connection between those systems and your user interface. Learning to set up these 4 pillars gives you the ability to take an original software idea and actually host it on the internet yourself. We start generating the structure in Google AI Studio. As seen in this mockup, a successful prompt requires 4 sections: a clear definition, required features, design preferences, and backend requirements. AI Studio will build the interface, but you have to provide the engine. Watch for the notification to enable Firebase and click the button to authorize the setup. Now we need to configure our specific sign-in rules. In the Firebase console, go to the Authentication tab and manually enable the email and password provider so your users can create accounts. To handle the actual files your clients will upload, you'll need to activate a storage bucket. This requires switching to the pay-as-you-go Blaze plan. Google will ask for a $10 prepayment during this step. This is a refundable authorization hold to verify your payment method, and for a small project like this, the free tier limits are generous enough that you likely won't pay anything during testing. Connecting this backend is what turns a static design into a data-retentive application. Your app can now remember who your users are and store their information permanently. Now we verify that the buttons on the screen are actually talking to our database. Create a test account and try to upload a document. It's very likely the first attempt will fail. You might click upload and see nothing happen. This is a standard part of the development process. When this happens, we use AI Studio to troubleshoot. Just describe the failure directly. File uploads aren't working. Troubleshoot this problem and fix it. This split screen shows the difference. AI Studio rewrites the connection logic, clearing the error and confirming it's working with a successful upload. The secret to building with AI isn't getting it perfect on the first try. It's testing each feature and using the feedback loop to iterate through errors until the app is stable. While your users only see their own files, you need a way to see the activity across the entire platform. To set yourself up as the owner, go back to your Firebase Authentication users list and copy your unique user ID. Paste that ID into AI Studio and ask it to generate an admin dashboard. DisView provides a high-level summary of your total user growth and storage metrics at a glance. You also need to update your Firebase storage rules. This ensures your admin account has the specific permissions required to view the files that users are uploading. This dashboard gives you a centralized place to monitor how the app is being used and verify that your data is being stored correctly. The app is finished, but it only exists in our test environment. To put it on the web, click Settings in AI Studio and save the project to a private GitHub repository. We will use Hostinger for our hosting. Connect your GitHub account and select the Node.js web app configuration to pull in your code. Before the site goes live, we must inject our security keys so the host can communicate with the AI. Copy your Gemini API keys and paste them into the Hostinger environment variables. This completes the loop, allowing your site to access the AI backend. If you forget these keys, your app might look fine, but the AI features will instantly crash as soon as a visitor tries using them. Once this is configured, Hostinger acts as an automated bridge. Any changes you save to GitHub in the future will automatically push to your live domain. Client Vault is now live on the internet. Anyone with your URL can visit the site and create an account. Log into your live admin account. You'll see that all of your previous test data is still there, confirming that your live hosting is perfectly synced with your Firebase database. If you want to change the design or add a new button, you simply ask AI Studio for the update and commit the change to GitHub. By combining these tools, you now have a repeatable workflow for building and launching web applications. You can take an idea from a blank screen to a live site in a single afternoon.